Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this video, we are going to discuss important questions on the topic arithmetic progressions. Okay, let us see first question. In an AP of 40 terms, the sum of first 9 terms is 153 and the sum of last 6 terms is 687. Determine the first term and the common difference of the AP. Also find the sum of all the terms of the AP. So we are given sum of first 9 terms is 153. We know the sum formula Sn. How to find Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. But there are, it is given like 9 term sum is 153. Let us begin with formula Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So the sum of first 9 terms is 153. So Sn is equal to 9 by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d is equal to 153. So 9 by 2 into 2a plus 8d is equal to 153. So 2a plus 8d is equal to this 9 by 2, taking the reciprocal, 153 into 2 by 9. So 9 cancel. And ones are 9, 63, 9, okay. 17 into 2, 34. We got the first equation. 2a plus 8d is equal to 34. So we can write in simplified form. Simplify this. So a plus 4d is equal to 17. This is equation 1. Now from the second statement we can make another equation. The sum of last 6 terms. Sum of the last 6 terms means we already know that there are 40 terms. So sum of the last 6 terms means we can use one method, S40 minus S40 minus S34 is equal to S6. So first 40 terms you subtract first 34 terms means we will get the sum of the last 6 terms. Okay, so what will be there here? But we know that S40 means 40 by 2, 2a plus 40 minus 1, 39d minus S34 means 34 by 2, 2a plus 33d is equal to, we are given S6. What is sum of the last 6 terms? We are given 687 is given. So 20 into 2a plus 39d minus 17 into 2a plus 33d is equal to 687. So we shall open the bracket and simplify it. 40a plus 780d minus 34a. Okay, what is 17 into 33? 561d is equal to 687. 40a minus 34 becomes 6a. 780 minus 561, 219d is equal to 687. I think this we can each term number is divisible by 3. So simplify, divide by 3, 2a plus 219 by 3, what is 219 by 3? Okay, 73d is equal to again 687 by 3, 229. This is equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can solve for a and d. Okay, we can solve for a and d. So this is the first equation. First equation we multiply by 2 because the second equation coefficient is 2, so we can eliminate, 2. So 2a plus 8d 2a plus 8d is equal to 34. This is equation 1. So do by elimination method. 65d minus 195. So d is equal to what? 195 by 65 is equal to 3. So we use first equation to find the value of a. A plus 4d equal to 17. A plus 4 into 3 17. A plus 2 equal to 17. So A we got 5. So we got the value of A and D. Now it is we need to find the sum of all the terms. Sum of all the terms is S40. Sum of all the terms is there are 40 terms. So S40 means n by 2 2A. A is what? What is A? Yeah, A5. 40 minus 1. D value we got 3. Okay, 20 into 10 plus 40 minus 1, 39. 39 into 3 what? 117. So 20 into 127. We should multiply 20 into 127. We got the answer 2540. 2540 is the sum of all the terms of the given AP. Clear? Okay, here is a second question. Hari wants to participate in a 200-meter race. He can currently run that distance in 51 seconds, and with each day of practice, he hopes to take 2 seconds less than the previous day. He wants to do it in 31 seconds. Find the minimum number of days he needs to practice to achieve the goal. Okay, he is running. He wants to participate for a 200-meter race. Hari wants to participate in a 200-meter race. Actually, at present, he can cover the 200-meter distance in 51 seconds. In 51 seconds, he can cover 200-meter distance. But with each day of practice, he wants to minimize the time. So after long time practice, he can reduce the time. So with each day of practice, he hopes to take 2 seconds less. So one day, with one day practice, he can complete the 200-meter race in 49 seconds. Again, 2 days means 49 seconds, 47 seconds, 45 seconds, like that. Okay, first day, so we can form the AP like 51. With one day practice, he hopes to take complete the distance in 49 seconds, like 47 seconds, like that. In 30, but his target is in 30. He try to achieve. Okay, he tries to complete it in 31 seconds. Then how many hours practice? How many days practice needed? How many days practice means we are supposed to find out, and only we have to find out from the given AP. This is A. First term is called A, last term is called AN. We will be considering this 31 second last term because in 31 second he wants to complete the distance. So we want to find out N. To find N, what we have one formula, AN minus A by D plus 1. Okay, this is a formula you have to memorize by heart, this formula. AN we have 31 minus 51. Okay, the common difference what? What is the common difference? Second term minus first term. So we have negative 2 is the common difference. So 31 minus 51 negative 20 by negative 2 plus 1. But 20 by 2, 10, 10 plus 1 what? 11 days he needs to practice to achieve his goal. Clear? Okay, now we are going to discuss our third question. The sum of first m terms of an AP is same as sum of its first n terms. Then show that sum of its first m plus n terms is 0. We are given sum of m terms is equal to sum of n terms. Okay, from this equation, we have to get what is a sum m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1d is equal to Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Both side 2 we can cancel. So 2am plus, open the bracket, okay, m into m minus 1 d. Similarly here, open the bracket, n into n minus 1 d. Now we are going to simplify, write in simplest form. So taking the RHS numbers, both the terms should be taken left side. So 2am minus 2an plus m into m minus 1 into d minus n into n minus 1 into d 0. So therefore 2am minus 2an plus m square minus 1m, okay, m square minus m into d minus n square minus n square minus n into d is equal to 0. So 2am minus 2an plus, taking d common, okay, we are taking d common. So inside the bracket do some more simplification. In bracket do some more simplification. We are combining m square and n square together, okay. This m square and n square combine, because as we have in the first term, if you take 2a common, we will be getting m minus n in the bracket, minus m plus, we have m plus n, okay, into d equal to 0. So here we are taking 2a common, bracket m minus n. So in the again in the bracket, m square minus n square can be written m minus n into m plus n minus m plus n into d equal to 0. From each term, I am cancelling, m minus n is cancelling. M minus n will be, this will be m minus n. Okay, we are taking minus common, no? So it becomes m minus n. From each term, m minus n is cancelled. So it is left 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d equal to 0. Using this result, we can prove Sm plus n. What is sum of m plus n terms? M plus n by 2, 2a plus m plus n minus m plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we already got this value. What is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 d? We already got it 0. So m plus n by 2 into 0 what? So sum of m plus n terms is equal to 0 value. Okay. Okay, now we will discuss the fourth question. In an AP, the sum of three consecutive terms is 24 and the sum of their squares is 194. Find the numbers. We are given AP. In an AP, sum of three consecutive terms is 24. Sum of three consecutive terms, usually how we take the, how will be denoted the terms in the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. But in this question, we have to take the, assume the numbers like A, let the three consecutive numbers will be assumed A minus D, A plus D. If you take the number like that, it will be easy to simplify it. That's the reason we are assuming the numbers A minus D, A plus D. So, according to the question, sum of three consecutive terms is 24. We have to add it. These three consecutive terms should be added. So, the sum is given 24. So minus d is cancelled. Okay. So 3a is equal to 24. A equal to 24 by 3. We got the value of A. Now we will try to find the value of D also. But from another statement, sum of their squares is 194. Sum of their squares is equal to how much is given? 194. We use the value of A here, substitute A value here, okay. So we have A value will be substituted here, 8 minus D square plus 8 square, 8 plus D square is equal to 194. This is a binomial expansion. A minus, this is similar to A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square plus 8 square. This one, this bracket can be opened by A plus B whole square formula. Okay. Plus D square is equal to 194. So we have 64 minus 16D plus D square plus 64 plus again 64 plus 16D plus D square. Okay, let's take 194 this side. So is there any like terms to be cancelled? This is cancelled. Like terms can be cut. So 64 D square, how many we have? D square, 2D square, okay. 2D square, 64, 64, 64. How much? 300 and 192. 192 minus 194 equal to 0. So therefore 2D square, 192 minus 194 what? Negative 2 equal to 0. From this we are going to find the D value, okay. D square, what is D square? D square 1, so D is equal to plus or minus 1 square root. So A value already got. D, from when A8 and D1 we have to form the, now we have to form the AP. Okay, but there are two set of numbers can be formed. When A8 and D1 we will be getting one AP, we can form one AP. Again, when A8 and D negative 1 we can form another AP. Okay, so we two APs can be formed when first time A8 and A8 and D1. That time how AP will be formed? 8 minus 1, 8. Here, A minus D, A plus D. 8 plus 1. So, 7, 8, 9. Again, we can form AP when A is equal to 8, D is equal to negative 1. Then, that is how AP will be formed. A, what? 8 minus minus 1. A, 8. D, 8 plus minus 1. So, 9, 8, 7. Either 7, 8, from this A and 8 we can form two APs, 7, 8, 9 or 9, 8, 7. Is it clear? Okay, now let us have a look at the fifth question. How many numbers lie between 10 and 300 which are divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3. We have to form an AP. In that AP, we should write the numbers. It is which is divided by 4. When it is this number should be divided by 4, but leaves a remainder 3. It is not completely divisible. They are not completely divisible by 4. The number which you write in the AP, okay, that number when divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3. Okay, there is one technique to do this one. There is a, let us find out a general term. Okay, general term can be found. Then you can easily we can find the from the AP. So one dividend is there. We don't know that exactly. When it is divided by 4, we should get remainder 3, right? So we are forming one general term. Okay, number should be of the form. We know that divisor into quotient. Divisor just let us put m. 4 into m plus 3. Divisor into quotient plus remainder only dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder only dividend. So one general term. Our general term, number should be of the form. Number should be of the form 4m plus 3. This is a general term. If suppose if your m is 1, what is the value? 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 7. But 7 is not between 10 and 300. Okay, now 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, 11 is our In the AP, 11 is the first number, A. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19. Okay, so already 300 is divisible by 4. Already 300 is divisible by 4. We know that 300 is already divisible by 4. But what is the preceding number? Previous preceding number divisible by 4, 296. But we don't want the number which is divisible by 4. When it divided, we should get remainder 3 also. So we will be considering we will be taking the last number 299. 296 is the 296 is divisible by 4. But we want the number which is divided by 4 leaves a remainder 3. So that is the reason we added 3 by 296. So let us see how many terms are there. N is equal to an minus a by d plus 1. We have our n, an 299 minus 11 by d 15 minus 1, 4 plus 1. 288 by 4 plus 1. Okay. 4 7s are 28. 4 2s are. So we have 73 terms are there. 73 numbers are lying between 10 and 300, which are divided by 4, leaves a remainder 3. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss our sixth question. The digits of a positive number, positive integer having 3 digits are in AP. Sum of the digits is 15. The number obtained by reversing the digits is 594 less than the original number. Find the number. Here is a 3-digit number. Okay, the digits are in, here is a 3-digit number, but 3-digit number we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, these 3 digits are in AP. According to the question, these 3-digit number, 3 digits form an AP. So then their sum also given. These 3-digit sum is given 15. When you add it, hundreds place digit, tens place digit and ones place digit, sum is given 15. So since the sum is given, we are supposed to take the numbers. How will you let the numbers? Let a minus d, a plus d. These are the 3 digits will be taken. A minus d ones place. This is ones place digit. This is tens place digit. This is hundreds place digit. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundreds place digit. Okay, so we know the sum of these digits is 15. So a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 15. When you add these 3 digits, we should get 15. So d will be cancelled. So 3a is equal to 15. A 15 by 3, 5. Okay, we got a 5. Now what we have to form 2 numbers. Okay, we have to form the numbers. Okay, first original number. In the original number, we have to form the original number. So since the at hundreds place is a plus d, 100 into a plus d plus tens place digit a, 10 into a plus ones place digit a minus d. So when you do simplify, we get an expression. So now we can substitute a by 5. Okay, a by 5, 5 minus d. Okay, 5 minus d. So 500 plus 100d is plus 50 plus 5 minus d. So we have the like terms. 555 plus 99. This is the original number. Now we have to form the new number. Okay, how will we form the new number? We have to interchange we have to take the digits in the reversing order. That time what happened? This become hundreds place. That time this is hundreds place. A minus d hundreds place. A tens place. A plus d will be ones digit. So 100 will be multiplied by a minus d. 10 will be multiplied by a plus 1 will be multiplied by a plus d. Again a will be substituted by 5. We have a value 5 minus d plus 10 into 5 plus d. So 500 minus 100d plus 50 plus 5 plus d. Here also we are getting 555 minus 99d. So these are the two numbers. So according to the question, this when the new number is 594 less than the original number, this is greater. According to the question, this is greater than this. So we find the difference. 555 plus 99d minus 555 minus 99d is equal to difference is what? Greater number, original number minus new number, difference is given 594. So when you open the bracket, this will be cut. 99, 99, we are getting 198d equal to 594. So d is equal to 594 by 198. 198. So answer become 3. Okay. So we got the value of a and d. We got the value of a and d. So we can form the original number. What is the original number? Original number, we can, before writing original number, three digits can be okay. We have taken ones place a minus d. What is ones place a minus d means? A minus d means 5 minus 3. This is ones place digit. Okay, tens place digit is a itself. Hundreds place digit we have taken a plus d. So what is a plus d? 5 plus 3, 8. This is the original number. New number, we can simply reversing the digits. 2 become 2 ones place become hundreds place. 5 in tens place itself. Ones place digit will be 8. So you just check it. Okay, just if you see the difference, when you minus this one, will you get to 594? Okay, 12 minus 8, 4. 17 minus here, 14 minus 5, 9. Okay, we get the answer. Is it clear? Let's take a look at the 7th question. Let 10th term from the end of an AP is 11th term from the beginning. 10th term from the end of an AP is equal to 11th term from the beginning. Its value is 55. So according to the question, we know that 10th term from the end and 11th term from the beginning are equal value. They are given 55. If its first term is 5, find the common difference, the number of terms and the last term. Okay, so we are given 10th term from the end. Actually 10th, what is, how will general term? What is the last term? Nth term, how it will be denoted? Nth term will be denoted a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, what is the second term from the last? Second term from the last. Second term from the last means n minus 2 into a plus n minus 2. It's a general term. Okay, last term will be denoted by a plus n minus 1 d an. We know that. So second last term will be a plus n minus 2. 1 will be less. So we have given 10th term from the end means what is the 10th term from the end? A plus n minus 10 d. Okay, a plus n minus 10 d value only 55. Like that, 11th term from the beginning. 11th term from the beginning is given. 11th term from the beginning is a plus 10 d. Okay, what is given 11th term from the beginning? Its value is given 55. So if his first term is 5, we will be getting the d value. Okay, we will be getting the d value 10d 50. We got the value of d is equal to 50 by 10 is equal to 5. So d is 5. What is the value of a? A is already given in the question. A is given both 5. A is 5, D also 5. Now 10th term from the end means what is the 10th term from the end? This is the second term from the end. Like that, third term a plus n minus 3, a plus n minus 4 like that. 10th term from the end will be a plus n minus 10 into D. A plus n minus 10 into D is also its value, both the value same, 55. Now we will be substituting A and 5, A 5, N itself minus 10, D again 5 is equal to 55. 5 plus 5n minus 50 is equal to 55. 5n minus 45 is equal to what? 55. So solving an equal to 55 plus 45. 5n is equal to 100, n is equal to 100 by 5. We got 20. There are 20 terms. Common difference we got the number of terms and the number of terms what? 20. There are 20 terms in the given AP. Now we have to find the last term. What is the last term? What is n? How will you find out? A plus n minus 1 into d. There are 20 terms. So we supposed to find out a 20. A value is what? A value 5, n 20 minus 1, d also 5. So 5 plus 19 into 5. 5 plus 19 5s are 95. So 95 plus 5, 100. Therefore, the 20th term of the given AP is equal to 100. Okay, now here is our 8th question. If the sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 36 and that of the first 16 terms is 256, find the sum of first 10 terms. So we have to form two equations and solve and get the value of A and D. We want to find the value of A and D, then we can use the sum formula. Then we can find the required number, sum of the required terms, sum of the first 10 terms. So if the sum of first 6 term means Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n is 6. Okay, the sum of 6 terms of an AP is 36. So 3 into 2a plus 5d is equal to 36. So we can open the bracket, 6a plus 15d 36. So anyway, it can be cancelled by 3. 3 can be taken here. Okay. So in simplest form, what? 2a plus 5d is equal to this is equation 1. Now same AP only. We want to consider the sum of first 16 terms. That time S16, 16 by 2, 2a plus 16 minus 1 into d is equal to given 256. So 8, 2a plus 15d is equal to 256. So 2a plus 15d is equal to what? 256 divided by 8. What is 256 divided by 8? 32. So we got the second equation, 2a plus 15d is equal to 32. Now from equation 1 and 2, we want to solve for a and d. Okay, we have first equation 2a plus 5d 12. Second equation 2a plus 15d is equal to 32 minus 10d is equal to minus 20. Therefore, d value, what is d value? D value is equal to 2. So we use the first equation to solve for getting the value of a. 2a plus 5d is equal to 12. Substitute d value here. 2a plus 5 into 2 is equal to 12. 2a plus 10 is equal to 12. 2a is equal to 12 minus 10. 2a is equal to 2. What is a? A is equal to 1. We got both the a and d value. Now we want to find out the sum of first 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms means 10 by 2. 2 into a, a1. 10 minus 1 into d, we have 2. So 5 into 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 2s are, okay, 2 1s are 2, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 2s are 18. So 5 into 18 plus 2 what? 20. So what is the sum? Sum of first 10 terms is equal to 100. Okay. Okay, we will discuss the 9th question. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 63 and the sum of its next 7 terms is 161. Find the 20th term of the AP. So we have 7 terms sum is given 63. Sum of first 7 terms is given 63. From this, we can make an equation, right? So like that. Now again it is given sum of its next 7 terms is 161. First 7 terms sum is 63. Next 8, 9, 10 up to 14. Next 7 terms sum is given 161. So together 14 terms sum, we understand that. First sum of first 14 terms we can add it. 63 plus 161. First 7 terms sum 63. Next 7 terms sum 161. So total first 14 terms sum is, what is 14 terms sum? What? 224. Okay, so S14 224, S7 63. So n by 2, 2a plus 6d is equal to 63. 2a plus 6d is equal to 63 into 2 by 7. Okay, 2a plus 6d is equal to 18. So we will simplify it. A plus 6 by 2 what? 3d. 2, 6 by 2, 3, 18 by 2. This is our first equation. Okay, now from the, we know that S14 is equal to what? What is S14? 224. Using some formula again. 14 by 2, 2a plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to 224. Okay, so 7 into 2a plus 14 minus 1, 13d is equal to 224. So 7 is divisible there. 2a plus 13d, 224 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 14, 7 2. That's, it is 32. 2a plus 13d got 32. Here is our first equation. A plus 3d 9. Okay, so we multiply this. We can use this one before simplification. 2a plus 6d is equal to 18. This is equation 1. So we will eliminate, a will be eliminated, right? A will be eliminated. 7d is equal to what? Negative 14. Therefore d is equal to what? Negative. D equal to 13 minus 6, positive 7. 32 minus 18, positive 14 itself. So what about d value? D is equal to 2. Okay, we use first equation to find the value of a. A plus 3d means a plus 3 into a plus 3d is equal to a plus 3d is equal to 9. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 9. A plus 6 is equal to 9. Or a is what? A we got 3. We got both a and d. Now we are required to find the 28th term of the AP. What is a n formula? A plus n minus 1d. A 28. What is the value of a? 3 plus 28 minus 1 into d 2. 3 plus 27 into 2. 28 minus 1, 27. 27 into 2 what? 54. So 3 plus 54, we got 57. 57 is the 20th term of the given AP. Okay, here is our last question from this topic. Divide 56 in 4 parts in AP such that the ratio of the product of their extremes to the product of their means is 5:6. This 56 has to be divided into 4 parts. How will you divide a number into 4 parts in such a way that that 4 numbers should be formed AP. So when we divide it, we should divide like that. The numbers are in AP means they are in a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are the 4 numbers taken when we divide 56 in 4 parts. So their sum is 56. So we can add this a minus 3d plus a minus d, a plus d plus a plus 3d. The total value only
56. Okay, so minus 3d is cut, plus 3d cut, d minus d cut. So 4a equal to 56. A become 56 by 4 is equal to 40. Again, we are given the product of their extreme ratio is given. Ratio means how will you find the ratio? Product of their extremes. Extreme means first and last. First and last product divided by means. Means means middle numbers. These two. A minus d into a plus d equal to, we are given 5 by 6. Now we can replace a by 14. 14 minus 3d into 14 plus 3d divided by 14 minus d. 14 plus d is equal to 5 by 6. So to open this bracket, you apply a minus b, a plus b. What is a minus b, a plus b? A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Denominator also a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. So 196 minus 9d square divided by 196 minus d square equal to 5 by 6. So we will cross multiply. 6 into 196 minus 9d square is equal to 5 into 196 minus d square. So what is 196 into 6? 1176 minus 54 d square equal to, what is 196 into 5? 980 minus 5 d square. Okay, so we take the variable term this side. 980 minus 1171. It is minus 49 d square equal to what? 1176 minus 980. 196 we got. So what is d square? D square is equal to 196 by 49 is equal to 4. Okay. So what is d? D is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay. So we got the d value. There are two values for d. So we can form 2ab. When a is equal to 14, when a is equal to 14 and d is equal to positive 2, we can form an AP. In second case, when a is equal to 14, d negative 2, that time also we can form another AP. Two APs can be formed. Okay, let us do first one. When a 14, d 2, how AP will be formed? Here you substitute for a and d value. A is what? 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 2, 14 plus 2, 14 plus 6. That is how the APs are 8, 12, 16, 20. Now if we can form another AP, when A is equal to 14, D negative 2. So that time 14 minus 3 to minus 2 what? 14 plus 6. 14 minus minus 2. Okay, next one 14 minus minus 2. 14 plus minus 2. 14 plus 3 into minus 2. That time 20, 16, 12, 8. Okay, we know this sum must come. Okay, this sum will be 56. So we have formed two set of AP. So okay, students, these are very important questions we have discussed in this video. Hope you take it seriously and seriously revise it. Okay, thank you.